What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Has been a little while. Battle of Chaos was my last video. It's been a while. No new sets have come out. I haven't really been doing much of anything for that. But today, um, or last Friday, I guess, um, this got released. So we're going to be opening up a display box as well as two Battle of Chaos blisters. So we'll see how well this goes. All right, so this is how we're going to do it. Two stacks of, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, sounds right. So each stack has an 11. Each one of them has a Battle of Chaos on the bottom. So we will start from the top and go down. So halfway through, we'll do a Battle of Chaos. And then at the very end, we'll do another Battle of Chaos. All right, there. Jeez. Okay. There are actually some cards in here that I want, not a whole lot. I want to try and get my fairy deck going. There we go. All right. Try and get it to where it's has some newer cards. So nothing in there. All right. DD Swirl Slime. Ooh. All right. Nothing really speaking out to me. I know the first pack had a tuner that I didn't have, so that was good. And obviously, I am always looking for those tuners. Come on, focus. There you go. Ooh. Barrel Dragon, sweet. Okay. Not bad. I may try and get another display of this, just so that way, if I don't get what I'm looking for, I can try again. Okay, there's Mars. I don't think I'm going to use Mars all that often. Okay, so I could use this. Okay. There's two cards that I could use. One of them I think is just a reprint. The other one I'm not too sure about. Oh, come on. Making me open upside down. Just didn't want to open. No, it did not. Glow Up Bloom. Cool. I don't think I have that one. I have Glow Up. I have the other one, just not this one. Ooh. Ryza. Cool. Hornet. Ooh, Earth. So I have some Earths, but I don't have any extra Earths. So that's actually a really nice one to get. All right. I need to figure out this light. There we go. Trying a new setup arrangement, and I don't know how long it's going to take me to get used to this one. Obviously, I have a backdrop now these three. A friend had them. They were selling them because they needed money, as well as they were getting rid of a lot of their pop collection. And I already have these three. They're actually up on my shelf and then behind me, but you guys will probably never see it. But I also have a raw. So I thought I could use moon noise. Might try to use that one. I thought maybe I could use these three as a backdrop for this channel, so that way it gives more of a different view. And I may switch it up every once in a while. I don't have a whole lot of Yu-Gi-Oh! Pop figures, especially the big ones here, but I did find one while I was at Target. I'm with the hero Neos Clogger. Interesting. And the chances of getting a ghost rare from this set is decent. Apparently the ratio is like stupid per case. It's either the case has none or the case would have like 4 ghost rares. So it's just weird ratios. Another tuner, nice. Mary. All right. Nothing too great there. I mean, I got a second one of the synchro tuners, so just adding to my collection. All right. Ooh, Vision Hero. Shell Knight. Vampire Takeover. And Jupiter. I think I already have this rarity of Jupiter, so probably don't need that. All right, halfway through. Let's go to the Chaos and see what we can pull. So we got Serene. Yep. Nope. Nothing from this. Nothing from this one. All right. Not too bad. I wasn't expecting much from the blisters. I don't normally get much of anything from blisters. So, moving on back to Ghosts from the Past to Electric Boogaloo. Alright, so this actually gives me a playset here, which is nice. Ooh, Agent of Life Neptune. I haven't seen this one, so might have to look at it to see what I could do with my fairy deck with that one. The one card that I'm really looking for, I just have not pulled yet. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that number what? Number 38, okay. Focus, there you go. Alright, so nothing there. Or at least nothing for me. Alright. Fossil. Hornet. Another Earth. Nice. I like that. So now that actually does give me a legitimate extra one, because I don't remember if it's limited to 2 in a deck, but if it's not, I can put a third one in my deck and still have an extra one. So put the Queen, Agent Saturn. Okay. Not even gonna try with that name. Oh. Alright. Still nothing great. I am glad I'm getting the agents, but there's like one agent that I'm really wanting that hopefully we can get. Nope. Ryzen DDD. Actually, nothing from that one. That's nice. All right. Advanced Virtual Arts, Samurai Dragon. Another moon, nice. Oh, come on, focus. Rare fish. It's a rare fish because no one wants it. Right. Time Thief. Interesting. Got what? 3 more packs of Ghost of the Past? I mean, just not getting what I want. That's sad. But that's the nature of the game. It's pretty much luck. Got Venus, which I never use. We got a Jester of Despia. I already got 2 of these in secret, so I don't really need this one. Tragedy and Vampire Duke. My bad. Duke. Vampire Duke. Right. That's not helpful. Mercury, don't even use Mercury, so that's whatever. All right. Last pack. So it does seem that we're not going to get a Ghost Rare, which is fine, but it also seems I'm not going to get the card that I want. Got Venus, and Trees, and Duke, and Mercury again. So, did not get the Hyperion that I was looking for, nor did we get a Ghost Rare. Oh well. So, last pack of the video, Battle of Chaos. Let's see what we can pull. I think I got a lot of the cards from Battle of Chaos. Nice, nice. I like that. Only because it's Karibo. I like Karibos. And nothing. Alright, cool. Not too bad. But I didn't get what I was looking for. I was hoping to get a Hyperion. Didn't get that. Might have to buy singles of that. What? Hold on. Okay, it's a card I'm not going to use, but straight out of the pack, it's already damaged. Like, really damaged. That's sad. And I'm going to put partial blame to this packaging because there is no innard, like, keeping it stable whatsoever. It's just free floating. And that's more than likely one of the reasons why a lot of the box or the cards from the set come out of the pack, fresh pack, damaged. So, sucks. Anyways, no tuner today. I did not pull any of my tuners. So, next video, which is going to be a special video, hopefully, because I am waiting for something to come in the mail and it hasn't even shipped. But once it comes, I will do a video on it. It's going to be a very special video. I will put 2 tuners in that video to compensate for not having a tuner in this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the new setup. It might change a little bit with the camera angle and just whatnot. But overall, I think this is how I'm going to do my videos from now on. So, yeah. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, depending on where you are in the world and when you are watching this. Bye.